Hi there, welcome back to Just Making It. Today I'm on the corner of Route 6 and 89 in Corey, Pennsylvania. I am where Tri-State Auction Services usually has their auctions. They're having the Hotchkiss farm auction. There's not a lot of equipment here, so you got to be on time. It starts 11 a.m. May 23rd. It's live and online, and everything goes absolute. So everything's going to sell. So let's go ahead and take a look at the equipment and see what they got. Okay, here's the equipment, the Hotchkiss farm auction. Okay, the first item, we have a blade here. And this is a bush hog 8-foot rear blade. Okay. Next to this, we got an arrow-equipped cattle chute. Really nice. You don't see really nice used ones like this. And this is a nice chute. Looks like it has a pout cage. Very nice shape. Now, if you buy the cattle chute, you got a set of scales here. And I believe the scales are in the office with the controller. But here's the platform. Gallagher platform scales right there. Next to that, we have a 4-star tedder. This is a Citrix. Very nice. Next to this 4-star tedder, look here. I call it Pequot. Some people call it Peckway. And this is a nice rake. It's a 12-wheel with a kicker. Yep. Very nice. Next to this rake, we've got a mower, a Krone mower, Easy Cut R320, 3-point hitch. Discbine, very nice. Next to this mower, check this out, a 575 New Holland square baler, very good shape. In the back, you got a kicker. Really nice. High capacity. Next to this square baler, we've got an Easy Trail wagon, kicker wagon. Almost like new. Very nice bed. Very nice. 18 foot. Next to this wagon, we've got another kicker wagon, a Pequot or Peckway 8618 kicker wagon. Nice floor. Very nice. Okay, next to this, we have a round bell wagon. 8.5 by 25 bell wagon, 12-ton gears. Right there. Okay, next to this wagon, we have a roller belt 450 silage special New Holland. Very nice. Looks like it's got the net wrap. Very nice baler. And it looks like it also has string tie. Okay, next to that baler, look at this. Tube line TLR 5000 wrapper inline. Really nice. Looking for a good wrapper, there it is. All right, check this out. John Deere 6415. Now this is a two-wheel drive. It's got a weight mount in the front. No DEF on this tractor. 6415. I have a 6405 and love it. Oh, look here. 3 sets of remotes in the back. 1, 2, 3. 540 PTO. Very nice tractor. Sit on it here. Here's what the dash looks like. It's got the big platform. Nice tractor. 6415. Okay, next to that, we've got a 6715. Chrome pipe, two-wheel drive, large platform, weight bracket, no DEF. Very nice tractor. Let's go around back here. Okay, you got 2 sets of remotes, 540 PTO. That's what the rear end looks like. Both tractors, I think, are low hours. You could tell by the tires, like brand new. Okay, next to this, here's the weights for your weight brackets. John Deere weights. Right there, there's 10 here. And there's 6 there. Okay, next to these weights, got a really nice camper bumper pull. Let's walk around it. It's called the Hideout by Keystone. It's got pull-outs. Very nice. Let's see what the tag says. 2016 Keystone Hideout Camper. There you go. Okay, in the back here, this is not part of the Hotchkiss equipment, but this is for sale in this auction. There's some, looks to be like chute gates right there. They slide up. Next to those, we got a beautiful auger wagon, Corey, model 300. Very nice. Walk around it. It's got the extensions. Model 8278 Corey gears. Nice. Next to this wagon, we've got a bumper pull Appalachian flatbed trailer. Next to that trailer, check out this sprayer. You could spray anything with this. Let's see. It's a Commander 4400 Hardy. Nice sprayer. See what the tag says here. It's a 2005 Hardy Commander, 1,200 gallon, 60-foot booms. Right there. Nice. You can spray, if it's tall, you can get over it. Nice tires on it. Okay, next to that sprayer, we got a big flatbed, dual wheel, dual axle trailer. We'll go up front here. It's got a winch on it, spare tire. It's a Big Tex 25 goosenecks HD torque tube equipped. And this is it's got a title, 2023, 40 foot. There you go. Okay, next to this, we've got a big flatbed trailer. This is what the floor looks like. Go around it here. Okay. Next to this trailer, we've got another trailer. It's got it like an upper ramp to it. Okay, this trailer is a 2014 Transcraft. It's 48 foot step deck. It's got the step deck. And this is what the bed looks like. Dual axles in the back, dual wheels. Okay, next to this trailer, we have a semi. It's an International. Has a sleeper. Nice truck. (2015) International Pro Star, 721,000, and it looks like it's been deleted. Title, International. Okay, that's the line of equipment that they're going to have. There's no small, so you got to be on time. May 23rd at 11 a.m. And it's the same place as the Tri-State Auction Services auction when they have their spring and fall auctions. It's on the corner of Route 6 and Route 89. And I just want to say thanks again for watching Just Making It. And we'll see you on the next video.